اهلا ومرحبا بكل المشاهدين من كل مكان في النون شو. النهارده زي ما اتفقنا هنطير الطياره، هنطير الجو برو كارما يا جماعه، بس مش هنطيرها طبعا في البيت. يلا بينا نروح على اللوكيشن ونطيرها. وعايز ابارك لحضراتكم جميعا وانا اولكم، بقينا 1000 مشترك. يلا بينا. Tell me, Jerry, how do you feel?
Live. Ready to go. We don't crash this thing.
Right?
It's gonna be a tight landing. It's a tight takeoff from the start. I'm not a professional, but
The co-pilot Jerry Rodriguez. We called him today morning so he can just come help us with flying that drone. So I think he's the pro.
let's see.
So guys, we have to pick up this.
So I figure like by the lake, something around there.
Yeah.
So we'll figure it out. Okay.
Lake, this is a river. That's a pure one.
Sorry.
We just, that's
sure.
it. There is no crosswalk in like the other lake that we have.
Yeah, we can launch it from like that around here.
Yeah, that's where I recorded
Oh, yeah, this is fucking
eventually.
awesome.
Yeah. You guys see that view? I think I love it here.
Yeah, this is fucking nice, Nagy. This is beautiful. This is a great spot, actually. Look at, we're gonna launch it from right there.
Yep.
There has a helipad.
Yep.
Homemade helipad, baby. It's nothing to do with it.
Woo, baby.
Righted.
Ready to fly. 3, 2, 1.
man. It's fucking frozen.
Yeah. No, Daddy, I fucking know. I wanted so bad. I thought that I could.
I did it!
You went pretty high, man.
We're ready to fly. That's it. But I landed so bad.
Yeah.
I landed so bad.
Easy.
Yeah, but I tried, but I was scared.
Second flight, man. Come on. Bring it back up.
Woohoo!
touches, it turns off. That's awesome. Let's go have celebration breakfast.
Oh. You can see better now. I made the screen bigger. Don't look at the thing. Look at yourself here. Yeah, you know it. Jerry, tell us how it feels, Jerry. How it feels to fly a GoPro Karma, Jerry. Tell me.
Awesome, man. Fantastic. It's a lot of fun. Definitely. A little stressful.
Yeah, in beginning, just in beginning.
Definitely don't want to crash $1,000 gadget.
Yep,
sure.
that's it.
But once you get a hang of it, man, it's something else.
Karma's battery is low.
Oh.
Land soon.
Yep, right now.
Karma's battery is too low for takeoff.
Jerry, say something about this experience.
Oh, man, awesome.
From this
Glad to be here.
experience,
Glad I came,
move
to be
your
honest. A
location
little early,
or
but
recalibrate the
definitely
compass.
worth it.
Yep.
That experience was awesome.
Yep.
Great.
Awesome. Thank you Jerry. Thank you so much. وبكده تكون حلقة النهاردة خلصت. أتمنى تكون عجبتكم. والحلقة الجاية هتكون عن فيب واتش فيرسا 2. دي سمارت واتش، حاجة لسه جايبها كده تنافس الساعات الذكية اللي موجودة في السوق. أتمنى تعجبكم وأشوفكم الحلقة الجاية. Peace.